Cleanliness and hygiene are essential to espresso machine maintenance. Your Conti MC Ultima comes equipped with a semi-automatic cleaning cycle. This allows for the group head to be cleaned thoroughly each time it's being used. Make sure that you're finished making coffee for the day. Empty your portafilter baskets and soak the metal parts only in a solution of cleaning powder and hot water. You will need to remove the filter basket before you do this. A small flat-headed screwdriver could be used. These should soak for around 10 minutes. While this happens, we'll clean the group head. Using the continuous key, run the group until the water runs clear. Replace the basket in one of your portafilters with the cleaning blank provided with your machine. Into the cleaning blank, add one cleaning tablet or a single scoop of cleaning powder using a pulley calf brush. Insert your portafilter, then press the cleaning button on the group to start the program and follow the instructions on the group display. Once the cycle ends, remove the portafilter and brush around and across the shower screen, ensuring to be careful as the screen will be hot. Once you've brushed the group, allow the group to rinse. Then reinsert the portafilter fitted with a cleaning blank, follow the instructions on screen and the cleaning cycle will start again. Once the cycle ends, remove the portafilter and wipe the shower screen and surrounding groove with a clean cloth or paper towel, again being careful as the group will still be hot. Now you've completed your group cleaning, it's time to take your portafilters out of the cleaning solution. Using a clean cloth or paper towel, wipe any residue from the handle and on the basket. Rinse with fresh, clean water and inspect. Please don't use any abrasive cloths or scourers on the handles, as this will remove the Excelsium non-stick coating and make it harder to clean them in the future. If there's still residue on the handles, repeat the soaking, wiping and rinsing process until clean. Finally, using a non-caustic detergent and hot water, wipe down your machine, ensuring to focus on contact areas. Use a clean cloth or dry paper towel to wipe down your machine once you're finished.